Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about the table. So what is table? What is record? What is a field? So these are dependent on each other. So if you have table, then definitely you have row and column. So here, see the definition part of the table. Table is a set of information where data held in tabular form, row and column. Row is called record, column is called field. So how we can create table? To create any table, you need to write down the query, or you can create table through the graphical user interface. So here I have written the query to generate a table. So see here, this is the query. So create is a keyword to create any types of table, database, lot of things. So create, if you want to create table, then you need to write here table. Then you have to mention the table name as per your convenient. You can write down anything in table name. Okay. First you need to start the bracket, and then you have to mention the column name with data type. So here I have mentioned the ID, and data type I have taken integer. So int means integer. So in ID column, we will have to enter only number value. Why? Because integer data type I have taken. Next column, I want to take here name, but before taking name, you have to put down the comma here. This is the comma you have to mention. Then you have to write down another column name. The data type of the name is varchar. Here I have set up the limit 20 characters. 20 characters means if you try to insert 21 characters into name, you will get an error. After taking name, this is the comma. Then you have to take the department. Same data type I have used and limit is same. City. In city, I have taken the varchar data type, and here I have taken the limit as a maximum. Another column is date of joining. I have taken the date and time. In age, I have taken the data type as a teeny int. Teeny int means very small number. Okay. So after that, you have to take comma. Gender, you have to take data type as a varchar because I have to mention only male and female. Okay. Then you have to take salary. Salary is a big number, so you need to write down big int. Then you have to close the bracket, but make sure you have to take comma after each column. If you are not taking any comma, then you will get an error while creating table. So this is the way to create a table. And now I'll let you know the record and field. So see here, field. What is field? Field is a part of record which contains single piece of information for the subject of record. If I have mentioned the column imp ID, so in imp ID column, we can mention only employee ID, not employee name. So we can mention here employee ID means only single piece of information I'm writing here. If I talk about the imp salary is a header of the data, means field of the data. So in imp salary, always we will take here employee salary, not employee name. Okay. So this is the field where we can mention only, where we can insert only similar types of information. Okay. Now I will talk about the record. Record is a complete one information which shows horizontally as in below screenshot. So you can see here one information means what? So Rajesh information is only single information. So here we can see Rajesh complete information is called record. If I talk about the set of records, that is a records. It is also called a data set. So here I have taken three information. Three information means here I have taken three records. Okay. So this is a records. Information is called records. No, nothing else. That's all for this video. I will let you know how we can create table and how we can insert data into row and column in further video. Thank you so much.